Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to password protect any page in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, if this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And you can continue with Google. You can continue with your working or business email. Or you know what, just click on the more options here so that you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, to password protect a page in Squarespace, you can use the built-in member areas feature. And all you're gonna do is just enable the member areas. Now, one of the best method to do that is just go to the settings panel, right? Just click on save on whatever you're doing to your website. And from here, we just need to click on the settings, right? Now click on the settings again. And from here, just hover to the site availability, all right? It's a very straightforward process because from here, you can simply click on it. And here you can set up an access permissions because under the member area settings right here on the password protect, anyone with a password or anyone who enters the correct password can access the page. And again, you can have a specific members only. Say for example, only members with access to the member area can view the protected page. Now click on that. And as you can see, just click on create a strong password, but remember to paste it to a safe area or a vault that you might be able to remember these password. All right. And after that, if you selected anyone with a password, set a password again for the protected pages. And after configuring the access permissions, just click on the save to apply the changes. All right. And again, you can test the password protection. Just preview your Squarespace website and navigate to the protected pages. And from there, ensure that the password protection is working as expected. And just enter the password is prompted and verify that the page content is only accessible to authorized users. And again, for us to be able to access the site availability, what we need to do here is from your dashboard, just go to the settings and voila, you have now the access for the password protect to any page here on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.